Liferay session we are going to learn how to create our first web page. So you can open Liferay. So this is my Liferay URL. I have opened that, and then you can click on sign in, and you need to provide the username and password using which you will be able to log in. And once you click on sign in, you will be back to home page. Now here you might see some banner. I have already removed that home page image, that's why you don't see anything. Now in order to create web page, we have two options. We can either click here on menu, and then we can go to site builder, and then site builder we can click on pages, and then from pages we will be having an option of, you see these public pages here, so you can click on plus, and then it is going to ask you what is the kind of web page which you want to create. So in this case I'm going to click on blank, and then you need to give the name of your web page. So in this case, let's say a new page which we are going to create is called a promotional page. So I'm just going to call it promotional and click on add. Alright, so now here you can see the title is changed. So right now we are on a promotional page. So let's click here on menu so we can have more space. Now here please notice right now you are in edit mode. So we can, on the right side you see additional options. So you can click here on fragments, and once you click on fragments you are going to see fragments option. So here you can select layout elements, and in the layout elements we are going to insert one of the elements. So I'm going to insert the row element. So for this you need to drag it and drop it here on this page. So I'm just going to, let's say, put it here, and then you can get rid of this by clicking again here on fragments, and that is going to hide that. And now this is a row fragment which is having 3 sections. Now let's say in each of the sections we want to insert an image. So in that case you can click on fragments again, and then go to basic components, and here you can scroll down to image, and then drag and drop it to one of the blocks in this row element. Okay, now again you can click here on the fragment, so this gets hidden, and now here you need to click on this screen on this block, and then once you do that you are going to see an option of image properties. So select image properties, and here click on select, and then you will be able to upload one of the images. So these are the images which I already have. If you want a new image you can click on select file, and then whatever your available images are you can select one of those images. So let's say I want this image, so you can double click on that, and that new image is going to get added. So click on add, and now you can see that new image which is available here in this first block. Okay, also if you want you can give the image description. So let's call it Apache NiFi. Now you can click on publish, so once you click on publish, basically your page gets published, and here you can see this page is available here. Let's say you want to move this page before home page, then you can drag and drop it before home, and then now promotional is going to be your first page, and then home page is going to be your second page. And let's say if you want to keep promotional inside home, then you can drag promotional and drop on top of home. In that case promotional is going to become a child of home page. As you can see, it has moved here. Okay, and also you can see this little arrow which is directing to here. Okay, so I want to bring it back to home page root level, so you can change it. Okay, so this is how you can basically play around and move your page. So if I go here and now I'm on a different browser, so if I go here and open Liferay, I should be able to see the new page which we have added. So you can see this is the promotional page which has been added, and once I click there, I can see the image which we just added, and you can see first page is home page and second is promotional page. So let's change it and make promotional on top, and then once we refresh, you should be able to see that promotional is the first option. So that's how easy it is to add a page and also adjust its position on the navigation menu. Now you can go back to menu and you can click here on IT Panther. That is going to take you to your home page, and then from here you can, let's say if you want to edit home page, you can click on home and then you can click on this edit option. Or if you want to edit promotional page for further development, so you can click on promotional and click here and add, or basically edit. So I'm going to click here on edit, and now I'm going to add few more images. So I already have this image block, so I'm just going to click on duplicate. In that case, it is going to get duplicated here. Now we can very easily just click here on the title and drag and drop it here on this side. Okay, and we can again duplicate this and then we can drag and drop it here on the third section. So that's how easy it is to move around the elements. And then you can click here on this image, which is going to again give you this option of image properties, and from here you can change this image to any other image. So if you again want to select one of the images available on your system, then you can click on select file. In this case, I'm just going to choose one of the images available here. So the one which I'm going to choose is this one, and then now I'm going to edit this third image, and here also I'm going to select one of the image. So let's select this Learn Apache NiFi. And now you can click on publish. And once you do that, now you can see all the three images are here. Okay, so this is kind of a promo page where you can give images about your whatever promotion is running on. And also if you want to add one bigger image below this, so you can do that as well. So let's click on edit again. And then we will go and click on basic component, and we are going to click on image, drag this image and drop it below this row element section. Okay, so now here you can see we have a big image section. You can click here and it is going to give you an option of image properties. So here you can select the image which you want. So in this case, let's say I'm going to select this image. And now you can see we have this image available here. Now click on publish. And now this web page is published. Okay, so if someone is going to open this web page now, then this is how it is going to look like. It is still loading. Okay, so this is how basically it is going to look like. Okay, so now you saw how easy it was to create our first web page. Now the other option to create a web page is from the navigation menu itself. So on the navigation menu, when you take your cursor to navigation menu, you are going to see an option of plus. So you can click on plus, which is basically going to add a page for you. So click on add page. And again, I'm going to select blank. And let's say this page is going to be your about us page. So click on about us and then click on add. And that has now added a new page which is called about us. Right now you don't see that in navigation menu. That is because you have not clicked on publish. So let's click on publish, and then that about us is going to be added in the navigation menu. So now again I can go back to itpanther.com, and here we can see all our 3 pages. So I'm going to go to About Us, and then if you want to further design this page, you can click on Edit, and then you'll be getting the same option which you got for promotional page. So now again we on the right side we have an option of selecting from any of the available elements and then further designing the web page. So in this case I'm just going to hide it, and now let's check about navigation menu. So in navigation menu, by default you are seeing we are getting this title navigation menu. That's because if you right click here on the options, you don't need to right click, you need to click here on the options, and here you need to go to look and feel configuration. So from here, if you do not want the title, which is navigation menu, you can hide it. By default I guess it is going to be hidden for your, and in case it is not hidden you can hide it, and in case you want to keep it enabled but you want to change the title, you can change that as well. So I'm just going to call it menu rather than navigation menu. And also in the application decorator you have an option to select any decorator. So in this case I'm going to select decorate and click on save. You might get an error, but you can ignore that. Here you can, on the bottom side, you can see that it has been successfully completed. Refresh this web page, and now we should be able to see this updated menu. Okay, so now you see it has been changed, and in the rather than navigation menu we see menu, and also we see all our 3 pages. And also since we selected decorate, that's why we see navigation menu has been decorated and there is a big border around this.